Question 17 reads, semicircular arcs AB, AC, BD, and CD divide the circle above into regions. The point shown along the diameter AD divided into 6 equal parts. If AD equals 6, what is the total area of the shaded regions? Now, in order to solve this problem, you're probably looking at this shape and thinking, how on earth do I find the area of a swirl? Well, of course, there's no formula for the area of a swirl. That means there's something we have to do to make this problem appear a little bit easier. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to redraw this problem in a way that will make it look much easier to solve. Here's my beautiful circle, as you can see, totally perfect circle. And there's the diameter. Definitely a little bit off, but you get the idea. Okay, I'm going to recreate the top half. I'm going to do that by drawing in these dots first. 6 equal spaces, just like the question says. Okay, now let me fill in the top just the way it looks in the top picture. Okay, there it is. But what I'm going to do, let me fill in a little bit so it's clearer to see. What I'm going to do that's going to make this problem much easier is that the bottom half, instead of drawing it the way that it's given, I'm going to draw it flipped over. It won't change any of the areas, it'll just change the way it looks. So if I flip it over, this portion will be all the way over here now and look like this. And this portion will be flipped over and will now look like this. If I shade in the way that it's given, this bit is shaded, the middle one is not, and the outer stuff is, you'll see that these portions of the swirls meet up to form circles. And now your job is a little bit easier. If we're going to find the shaded area, we'll just take the area of this large circle, subtract out the area of the medium circle, and then add back in the small circle. Okay, so in order to do that, let's get some formulas for the areas of these circles. So we're told that AD is equal to 6, and that the dots divide this into 6 equal parts. So that means from dot to dot is 1 unit. Oh, my dots are a little harder to see now that I've drawn in. Let me make them a bit darker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the edges. Okay, so the large circle, 1, 2, 3 units in radius, so pi r squared. The large circle is 9 pi in area. Okay, the medium circle, that's 1, 2 units in radius, pi r squared, so we'll subtract out 4 pi of unshaded medium circle. Now we have to add back in the small circle. Okay, the small circle has a radius of 1 unit, so its pi r squared is just pi, 1 pi if you prefer. So 9 pi minus 4 pi is 5 pi, plus pi is 6 pi. So the correct answer is C. And that's how you do it. Please continue to check out more Mindfish videos.